Hello everybody, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Myra. Today I am going to be talking to you about the benefits of Marula oil. Marula is a high-end oil which is wild and naturally harvested in southern Africa. The fruit is actually known as food for the kings. That tells you something about what the oil and the potential of the oil is. A light and non-greasy oil. It is light in color, high in antioxidants and omega-9 fatty acids. It is a quickly penetrating oil, which means it goes onto your skin and quickly goes in without leaving a heavy or greasy feel. It is great for all skin types. It is hypoallergenic and it is safe to use around the eyes. So, what makes this oil so awesome? Well, Marula improves elasticity of the skin. It provides collagen to the skin because of its high levels of vitamin C, and collagen helps the improvement, the bounce back, the elasticity of your skin. Marula also, with its high levels of vitamin E, helps the skin to retain moisture and prevent moisture loss. Marula helps to even out your skin tone. If you have patches around the skin, continued use of this oil will help to give you a smooth, even skin tone. And at the end of this video, I will give you a simple recipe for a face serum that you can make using Marula oil. Marula oil as well, because it is high in omega-9 fatty acids, provides richness and healing of the skin. Marula is also non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. It also helps to balance out skin's oil production, your sebum. It won't promote over oil production, and it also won't decrease oil production. Some oils do that, but Marula is not one of those. It will actually help to balance out your oil production. Very similar to how jojoba oil works. Marula as well helps to calm inflammation and redness of the skin. If you've had any burns, you can, when it's starting to heal, you can use Marula oil on it to really bring down the redness of that burn. Marula a little bit can be used in your hair to tame frizz, provide frizz control. Marula can be used as a primer under makeup, and it helps with even application of your makeup. And because of its nutrients, can actually help with acne-prone skin, helping to soothe redness and the inflammation of the skin. Marula helps decrease environmental stressors, it helps to eradicate free radicals, and it helps with sun, wind, and smoke damage of the skin. Marula is safe to be used for all skin types, as I've said earlier, and a little bit goes a very long way. So, what is this facial serum you can make with Marula oil? Requires 2 ingredients. 2, that's it, just 2. You want about anywhere from 10 to 30 ml Marula oil. If you're starting off, maybe use about 10 to 15 ml. And what I use is bergaptene-free bergamot essential oil. Now, bergaptene-free, why? So that it does not cause photosensitivity, as bergamot is a citrus. And so you add about maybe 5 to 7 drops inside your Marula, and you can apply that day and night and even under your makeup. A little bit goes a very long way. Marula is a high-end oil, but you don't need a lot of it. Known as food for the kings, is a light oil, nutrient-rich, non-greasy, penetrates the skin deeply without leaving a heavy or greasy feel. It is awesome for all skin types, and maybe, just maybe, should be your next go-to oil. Have you ever wanted to try marula, or you have tried it? Let me know. Put comments down below and we can start a little marula talk. I think that would be fun. Until next time, remember, you were created to create. Have a good one. Bye.